¿Tienes novia? Sí.
Does it hurt you a little bit?
¿Tienes una novia? Do you have a girlfriend?
Yeah.
Yeah? ¿Quién es?
I don't know her name.
¿No?
No, when I'm a man.
Cuéntame de tu novia.
I know the. My novel is. My novel's name is Stack. I have lots of girlfriends.
What?
Lots of them.
No way.
Yes way.
What do you do to your girlfriends?
Fight. They like it.
They like it?
Yes.
What do they like?
They like when I say stupid too.
No, we don't say stupid. That's not a nice word.
Yes, it is.